Did we get smoked out?
This is a meeting of the chiefs and councillors at Treaty 1 and Treaty 2 Nation, Dog Creek. How do you guys feel about this?
Dog Creek and Lake Man?
Dog Creek and Lake Man.
Aboriginal.
This is the Treaty 1 Dog Creek First Nation territory. This is like the mansion of all, your butt.
Your mansion?
See our fort right there? Hey.
All right. Oh, Chief McLean just fell. And there's Councillor Swan helping her up. Councillor Swan falling on my steps.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And there's the other Councillor McLean.
Hi.
Chief Chipaway.
What? And there's Melissa. Always taking everybody. What?
You're jealous.
Okay, let's go. Retreat.
Retreat. Dog Creek First Nation out. Watch the steps.
What's that?
Okay.